Welcome back, Sci 215 students. This video is going to focus on the 5-2 final project, Milestone 2 Research Design Assignment, which is actually a discussion board in Module 5. At this point, you've already completed your literature review. You've also worked on and submitted your research gap worksheet. My recommendation prior to addressing the prompt for this milestone would be to review the student exemplar that's provided for you within the Learning Module 5 folder. This will give you an idea of how all of the milestones coalesce together to form the final project. Most notably, pay attention to the research design section because that will help guide you in completing this discussion requirement. As you see, I highlighted a few items down here. Prior to starting and addressing this prompt, go back and review the Module 1 Learn Smart activity and the information that you included in the Research Gap worksheet. That will help inform the research design that you propose in this discussion forum. You want to be able to provide a rationale for choosing that research design over others. Why select the research design that you did, and you also want to account for the ethical considerations. What are the ethical implications of your hypothetical research design? A good place to start for coming up with ideas for the research design and considerations regarding ethics would be previous research that you have already reviewed. As you see here, you're going to submit your completed research gap worksheet in this milestone discussion by Thursday. You're also going to address each of these bullet points. My suggestion is to use these as guides and answer each question coherently and with supporting details. The first part, the research design that you selected. Why are you proposing this research design? How will it align to your research question that you came up with in Module 4? Once again, be sure to explain your reason for selecting this research design and explain why it's appropriate. You're also going to address how you've built upon the initial research design ideas that you came up with in the Module 1 discussion. So you should be building on the information that you discussed there. You're also going to address the new elements you're adding to the research design in light of the gap worksheet that you completed in Module 4. The logistics of your study will be described in this bullet. How could your research design be implemented? Practically, how would you carry out this research investigation? Remember, you're not doing that, but if you were, how could it be carried out? And then lastly, you're going to discuss any issues of ethics that relate to your proposed research question and research design. Similar to other discussion board responses, you're going to respond to two classmates, but you're going to critique their research designs. Be sure to highlight the strengths of their hypothetical research designs and the limitations. As always, support your claims, support your critique with specific examples that reflect your analysis. This assignment will be graded using the rubric for discussion boards. If you have any questions about this Module 5 Milestone 2 assignment, be sure to get in touch with your instructor.